have that draining. The water here draining. And it's coming out, but it's rather slower than the others. It's at a trickle, and it's wide open. So that's taking some time to drain. Okay, I went on ahead and unboxed this one here. There's no one going in. And we're going to take a look at that one. Waiting on that one, I decided to take it loose, take it apart, disassemble it. You have your fluke here, fluke pipe here, and your hot and cold, or your cold here, and your hot. And the relief valve is coming off the top of the unit. Goes right across the wall there. So, still pretty heavy. But, it's gonna have to do a bit of altering to make it work, but it shouldn't be too bad. Seem to be coming up in pretty low as well. So I may have to bring them up, like I said, bring them up. And, when this is hot enough to move, I'll go ahead and pull the one out and start on a new one. So, that being said,